Kris Ramachandran is an engineer from BITS Pilani with a postgraduate degree from the Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta. Having previously served as Chief Executive Officer, Philips Electronics, he is currently engaged with the Aditya Birla Group as an advisor for the group's higher education project. He has introduced the Kris Ramachandran Faculty Excellence Award to recognize BITS faculty for inspiring and engaging teaching, innovative projects and research, professional achievements, and their commitment towards brand BITS Pilani.
Dear friends, I am very happy and have a sense of satisfaction at this moment for receiving the first Kris Ramachandran Faculty Excellence Award. More so, I would like to thank Kris sir for instituting this award. This was long felt for the faculty who are trying to do their efforts in research and teaching. I would also like to thank the panel members, Professor Raghurama, Professor S Rao, Professor Mathur, Professor Reena Agarwal, who have taken pains to find out something good in my work. I have done efforts and I have been doing it since my tenure in BITS Pilani. I would like to share this award and credit for this award with my students who have helped me inch my way all through this research work whatsoever I have done. I specialized in robotics while doing my first or rather higher degree from BITS Pilani, and envisioned that why not miniaturize those robots at that time, somewhere in 1999. There was less awareness, but I am also thankful to Professor Mittal, R.K. Mittal, my guide and my supervisor, who all the way supported me pursue this topic which was not so very well known. The facilities were not there, the expertise were not there. We have developed this field of our own efforts. We have been recognized widely now by the pioneers in this field around the globe. The only way which we could have done this was to think something out of box. We didn't have fab facilities. We did some work. Certainly it is not in the mainstream, but people liked the way we thought and presented our results. The work which is being done by me as of present is microfluidics. In microfluidics, we are doing 3 projects. The one is on development of or indigenization of a lab on a chip device, which we are doing through a funded project from National Program on Micro and Smart Systems, NPMAS. We have a collaboration on this project with Biology Group BITS Pilani, and for fabrication we have a collaboration on this with CEERI Pilani. This is a prestigious project which we are doing, and other one on microfluidics is under Indian Nanoelectronics User Program, which is being carried out at Center for Excellence in Nanoelectronics at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. The project is about metering fluid in nano domains. It is difficult to make fluid flow in nanochannels. Well, plants do it and throw water somewhere 100 meter high against the gravity, but while engineering it is really difficult. We are trying that and doing this effort at CE and ISC Bangalore. The third one that we are doing on microelectronics is to study the electrical and magnetic effects on decay and growth of bacteria. This will be again done in microchannels, flow in microchannels. One more project that I am handling at present is we have been granted at BITS Pilani, MEMS Design Center, National MEMS Design Center, and that is also through NP-MAS funding. There are some other projects which I am doing with my students which are not funded. I am doing work on nanomaterials, and we have some initial level talks at Hindustan Copper Limited Khetri Copper Complex, and it is for the improvisation of copper by reinforcing them with nanomaterials. My idea for next, or my plan for next few years is to develop a device, a product, apart from publications. Publications will certainly is good in research work, but to go to the next higher level platform, we need to develop some products which is useful for the masses. In the last, I would like to thank Professor Kris Ramachandran for instituting this award, Dr. Kothari and BITSAA International for implementing the award, the whole team. I would also like to thank people who have helped me in time of crisis, my wife, my students, my guide. Thank you.